In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a squeeze page in Systeme.io. We'll start from the Systeme.io dashboard, which is the main control center for your account. Once you're there, look for the Sites section in the main navigation and click on it. Inside that area, select Sales Funnels. This is where you'll build the structure for collecting leads and guiding visitors through your pages. Next, click Create to start a brand new funnel. You'll then be asked to name your funnel. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple funnels for different offers or audiences. After naming it, choose the Build an Audience Goal option. This is the right choice for a squeeze page because the purpose is to capture visitor information, usually through an opt-in form. Once that's selected, click Save. After saving, you'll see your new funnel in the list. Click on it to open it. When the funnel opens, take a look at the left-hand side where the funnel steps are listed. Make sure the squeeze page step is highlighted. This is important because you want to edit the correct page in the funnel before choosing a design. At this point, Systeme.io will show you a library of pre-built squeeze page templates. These templates give you a starting point so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Choose a base template that fits the style you want. In most cases, a simple and clean design works best for squeeze pages because it keeps the visitor focused on the main action. Once you find one you like, click Select. Now it's time to design the squeeze page layout. On the right side of your dashboard, click the Edit Page button, which is marked with a magic wand icon. This opens the visual drag and drop editor, where you can customize the page layout and overall appearance. Inside the editor, you'll be working with the template you selected as your foundation. This is where your squeeze page really starts to take shape visually. As you make changes, keep the page focused and uncluttered so visitors clearly understand what the page is offering. A good squeeze page is usually straightforward, easy to scan, and built around one main objective. And that's the setup process for creating your squeeze page in Systeme.io. Once you've opened the editor, you're ready to continue shaping the page to match your brand and lead generation goals.